Hello everyone. This drone video is taken at Lake Barambah in the Shire of South Burnett in Queensland. This lake was formed when the Bjelke Peterson Dam was built from 1984 to 1988. The dam is named after one of Queensland's longest-serving Conservative Premier, Bjelke Peterson. There are a few creeks that supply water into the lake, but the main one is called the Barker Creek. The dam can hold around 135,000 megalitres of water, which equates to about supplying 680,000 homes with water for a whole year. However, the water in the lake is primarily used for agriculture. Due to the ongoing drought in Australia, currently the dam only has 4.7% of its full capacity. When this drone video was taken back in 2017, it was around 30%. It's a nice lake for water sports and fishing. There is a caravan park called Yalakool on the edge of the lake. It's on the left as you approach the first dam wall. They have cabins, caravans and camping sites available, so if you want to stay here for a period of time, it's a good place as any, as you're very close to the water.